And this is my apartment. What a shame. My hyacinths are dying. Well, maybe they're just reverting back to their natural state of not being bloomed. So I want to try starting from scratch. And I'm going to plant these Gladius Nights floral bouquets. Oh, I got this from Dollar Tree. I also got this from the Dollar Tree. It's just a hanging basket with this thing, which I think it holds up water. This is from the Dollar Tree, so I'm not so sure how absorbent it's going to be. I'm a little concerned about leakage. This wiring doesn't look very sturdy. I don't know. Maybe it's just a paranoid. But what I'm going to do is fortify it with this twine that I also got from the dollar store. What was that? 1, 2. These two were sold separately. $4. Oh, taking the twine, and I wanted to tie from the bottom to, you know, the hook to be secure. I'm going to take this length plus this length. So not that length. I'm just going to make 3 more of those. Now we have 3 twine segments, and we're going to attach it to the basket part first. Now you want to make a knot at the very tip and give it a nice little anchor. So take the one with the hook, you want to take it and line it up, and that's when you're going to fortify. Now it's nice and secure. You want to take your string and then give it another wrapping on the top part. This one doesn't necessarily need a knot. I don't know, but if you're not crazy, go for it. Alright, a little security never hurt nobody. Okay. My idea with these was to weave it through the chain. Well, it's not really weaving. What is this? No, it is weaving. This is weaving. In, out, in. These things are just so thin. These links are so thin. But I also want it to be strong because I'm going to hang it in front of the window and I don't want it to fall. It just makes sense. Well, bam! And then this is a piece of stone. Still everything is stones. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna show you what I mean by these links are very thin. Look at that! Look at it. It has like an opening right there, which means that it's not even. You can totally stretch apart. This whole wake looking thing. Hello, I'm gonna fall apart on you. Please don't blame me. Done. I guess plant lower than 8 inches. Plant per square foot. So what, 4 bulbs per square foot? Okay. Bloom time, summer, height 40, 60 inches. That's pretty tall. Hardiness zone 810. I don't know what that. Complete plant instructions are available on our reverse side. Oh wait, oh, here we go. Plant according According to the recommended planting time for your area, plant after danger of frost has passed, plant within the season of purchase. Planting time, February through June. Very easy to grow in all zones. Plant in groups for best effect. Ooh, plant in groups, that's what I'm gonna do. Water after planting. Plant your bulbs within the season of purchase in a well-drained soil. Dig a hole and plant bulbs at the required depth. Depth is a measurement of space between the soil line and top of the bulb. Oh, okay. The soil should be loosened before planting. Set the bulb in place. Pointed side of sprout upward. Cover the bulb by placing the soil water well after planting. Okay. Well, let's give it a go. Wait, I need my measuring tape. Where's my sewing kit? Alright. This measuring tape is 60 inches, so the plants could get as tall as this measuring tape? That's so tall! I need to do 8 inches deep. Let's see. Oh, that's way over it. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna pack this down. I want this to be like the rock bottom. Oh, I have rocks I could throw in there. I don't really need rocks though. I'm hoping that'll help keep the water in. This one. This one. I wonder if they're upside down. How do you know if it's upside down or not? I guess that would be the upside. That would be the downside. Two more. I'm just gonna add them. So they say pack them in 4s, 8 inches deep. I'm doing it in 6s with less than 8 inches of depth. That's the reason I chose the pointy top to be the top, because look at this onion. My poor hyacinth, look at him. That onion is doing marvelous. This is just potting soil. Look at that. Hello. Good. I have this idea. Bottled water, rocks, water. Oh, it is leaking! That's fine. Next floor, lower. Next floor, lower. Thank you for visiting my apartment. I'm David Carter, and this has been Designing David.